Uganda. CARE started operating in Uganda in the year 1969, basically responding to the urgent need of disaster, conflict, affected populations, and that was through community development. CARE's vision is seeking a world of hope, inclusion, where poverty has been overcome and people are living in dignity and security. The mission of CARE is to save lives, to achieve social justice, and people living in dignity. CARE works in over 120 countries world over. In Uganda, we cover all the regions of Uganda, and we are implementing projects that are embedded in 4 programs. The 4 programs CARE implements are around climate justice, we have gender justice, we have humanitarian response, and then economic empowerment and livelihoods, which we call economic justice. In Agago, we are implementing a project called WAY, Women, Adolescents, Youth Rights Empowerment Program. And this project doesn't work only in Agago. We have the other 11 districts where this project is being implemented, both the host community and the refugee community. We have Agago, Kitugu, Amuru, Lamo in the north. And then in West Nile, Arua, Aterebo, Madiokoro, Moyo, Yumbe, Ajumani, those are the areas where the project works. If you heard me well, when I talked about the programs, these programs are operating in other districts of the country. The WAY program, or the project in Agago, is funded by Danida, Ministry of Internal Affairs of Denmark. It was originally a 5-year project, but we lost time during COVID, and the donor preferred to add us additional years. This project started working in the year 2018, and if it's a 5-year project, it should have concluded by last year, but we had a no-cost extension up to this year, and the project will phase out in September of this year, which is just a month to come. The Women Adolescents Rights Empowerment Program is looking at empowering women and young people to demand for sexual and reproductive health services, gender services, and ensuring that they have access to asset economic building opportunities. In Agago, we work in 16 local administrative units, and those are the sub-counties become operational at the time when the project was designed. And of course now Agago has grown bigger. We have 10 more sub-counties, but we've maintained, given the donor restrictions earlier on. So this project works with a spectrum of community structures. We have community structures that are identified by the community themselves, and these are the people who help us extend our services to the community. Among the community structures we are working with, we have the male action groups. Here they're calling them Chumakwide. So the male action group approach is an appreciation that much as women and girls are the highest sufferers of gender-based violence, the men undergo violence too, but most often the men choose to keep quiet about what is happening to them in their household. So through the male action groups, we encourage the men to come up and advocate for services of sexual reproductive health, advocate for services of gender, and be able to utilize those services. In total, I have 720 role model men I work with the 16 male action groups. The other approach is SASA methodology, SASA awareness support action, which appreciates that the change starts with me before it gets into the community and then the other stakeholders. And SASA is an approach that that is looking at prevention of violence against women and girls and prevention of HIV and AIDS. I work with 280 social activists. I have the mentorship model that looks at fellow women empowering young girls who are undergoing gender-based violence, empowering women who are undergoing gender-based violence, to appreciate alternative mechanisms of solving conflicts other than engaging in violence. We work with a total of 56 schools in Agago, and working through the senior women, the senior men teachers, to share with the young people. We want them to grow up nurtured, to appreciate positive masculinity, to appreciate their sexual reproductive health rights, to appreciate that there are services that accrue to young people as well when we talk about SRH and gender services. Before me are some of the materials that we use. The community structures that are trained use this reporting tool to report what they have done. And then I also, CARE is doesn't tolerate fraud, and then fights against sexual harassment and exploitation. And any of the structures that we work with sign this policy to ensure that our beneficiaries are protected. These are some of the tools that the community structures trained actually use when they are doing community sensitizations. And then the other are these manuals that are used by the women mentors. Lastly, I would say the other aspect of integration of gender, sexual reproductive health in agriculture. And then finally, I like to say, I want to end there by handing over the business plan, CARE's business plan, and then a brief about some of the projects that we are implementing. Thank you.
I have just one question, if it's okay. Recently, and I hope it has stopped, it might still be continuing. There was this massive environmental degradation, cutting of any standing tree in certain places in this country. Really disaster. I did hear Ken speaking, maybe I wanted to know, because of what he listed, environment is one of the concerns.
Thank you very much, my lord, for that question, a very good one. I talked about the programs. Here, basically, we are engaging on the gender.
No, that's what I want to say. But I want to know if maybe not here in Uganda, somewhere else, or initially, because that was not an issue, when you targeted the gender sexual reproductive health. Tree cutting was not an issue. Now, when it came up, have you done something? Have you doing something?
Yes, CARE is doing a lot around climate change, advocacy, disaster reduction, and basically, mostly this is being implemented in areas where refugees settle, like the Bagisu right now, and then also in Karimojong.
Where refugees are settled?
Because we realize that in most of those communities, during the influx of refugees, we realize there was a lot of cutting down the streets because people were looking for unsafe furniture, they are looking for materials to...
Maybe what you need to do, sit down with the district authorities. They will tell you that for 20 years, in some parts for more than 20 years, 20 years, 10, 5, depending on which part of this sub-region we were in, people were in camp.
Yes, true.
When I was growing up, our neighbor whose home was by that building across the road, you would not see the home because of huge bushes around. We were separated by many forests. Now I see up to 3 kilometers from here because of the war. And all these people were harvesting wood logs, firewood from surrounding areas. Is that an area where care could be interested?
Yes, it should be one of them.
And if I was in charge of the district or the sub-county, I would come with a bylaw. Every homestead must plant a number of trees which council has dictated, and then care helps to get the seed.
I think the district has working bylaws in that regard, and what we feel, though we do not actually implement climate justice directly, through the community structures, we have been able to help them embrace this. Because even me, as I look on, I'm able to see there is rampant cutting down of trees. So I will tell you, I have groups that have successfully engaged in climate change, planting trees. I have very good stories of these groups in Milapano, particularly a women saving group. One time I had a call with them as I asked them how they are making their money, and someone told me, for me, I burn charcoal, and I was like, no, this is not what we are doing. So after that kind of exchange of conversation, they actually hired 7 acres of land, and they have planted trees. They have planted melia, they have planted white stick. Recently, I went with the resource officer to go and check that, and they're doing very well, and they say this is their contribution. Oh, please, I will be very happy because I want people to learn from others and be able to invest in them. Thank you.
I will take a group of women, go to this place, town council and sub-county.
I will provide them with you to ensure you do that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let us